Have you ever wondered how suit pockets are made without thread showing both inside and outside? Then you have to stick to this video till the end so that you learn how to make suit pocket like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jorish Fashion Academy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a professional, good looking suit flap pocket. Stay with me to the end and gain this value for free. And today, I'm going to be telling you how I've been making suit throughout these years, having good looking suit, premium looking, sending to different countries in the world from a simple location. Making suits is something that is quite enjoyable. It's only consumed quite a little number of time than other outfits will make, but it is worth it because the cost of making a suit is skyrocketing because of the value attached to the suit. Now we'll be diving into it. You see, this pocket is good looking. You can see it's seamless. The threads are not showing both in and out. It is flat looking and it is good. It is premium. You see, in this one I've done face pocket. I'm going to be facing the pocket for tutorial sake. Now you can see this one, the pocket is already there. You can see, let's dive straight into it. You get your interfacing, then you mark a 1 inch from the edge, then you draw a line just to give it a slanty curve. Then you mark about 3 inches away from that point, then you mark again from the beneath it 3 inches. After marking, you draw a line. Thereafter, you go ahead to cut it out. Make sure when you are cutting this suit, when you are cutting this interfacing out, just be careful, meticulous, ensure that you cut it so very straight. Yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel so that I can keep giving you wonderful tutorials that will help your fashion business. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and also click on the notification bell so I keep notified whenever we upload videos like this. You cut a piece of fabric that has a matching color with the suit. Then you place the interfacing on the piece, then you give it a good ironing. I have ironed now. You can see it is sticks to the fabric. Then I'll fold like so as you see me do. One end, then I'll iron again. You see, just to make sure I have the pocket impression on the fabric. Then I fold again, then I'll iron again, just as you can see me do. Then I fold again the other part, then I will iron again. Just watch so very closely. It is achievable. It is easier than you think. Then you iron. Then after you have ironed and you have the normal shape of the suit pocket already seen in this fabric, then you open to have a nice blending ironing that when you fold it will look like this. You see the angular shape you are seeing there is for a reason. Just follow the tutorial very carefully. Then you iron and ensure you take your hand to put in the excess fabric inside it, just to allow the interfacing to have its impression on the edges of this pocket. Then you iron so very meticulously. Thereafter, you remove the excess fabric because you don't need them all, leaving about 3 inches of the entire folding to be in this fabric. Then the next thing to do is to bring the suit piece. Actually, we are facing on the left piece of the suit, So normally you make your marking at the region where you want to face the pocket, which is at this region that you can see me marking right now. You make the marking, make it a little bit slanty, just a little bit slanty, not actually straight, just a little bit slanty. There's a reason why. This helps to minimize errors in facing this pocket. After you have done so, you get the pocket that you have ironed, then you place it on that line you have drawn. Just be careful, watch so very closely, and you place it like so. because you're going to be making your seam across this region. You can see, just make sure the line is just at the region of the white interfacing you're seeing there. Then you go and sew. I've sewn it. Then you see, I can flip it over. You see the thread is already inside, not showing at the surface. So thereafter, what I will do is to go and cut across this region. Then with my scissors, I will poke it. After poking it, I will begin to trim to the edge of the thread. I will do so at both edges. After doing that, just watch carefully. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe so I will keep giving you videos that will boost your fashion business. Drop your comment in the comment section if you want me to do any other videos. If anything is unclear to you, you can also drop your comment on that so that I can make it even quite clearer than you can imagine. Then we have finished cutting through. Then I'll put it inside like so. You see, the excess of the fabric is now placed inside. Then you can see what I'm having here. This is just to achieve a professional looking flap pocket of a suit. This pocket, you can send it, after fixing this pocket on the suit, you can send it to anywhere in the world and it will greatly be appreciated, unlike the irregular pockets that most tailor or fashion designer use on their suit making. You can go through this video again and again to ensure that you have something like this. You see, I've gone to seam it inside. You cannot see any thread in any edge of the suit, having that excess fabric on top like so. What I will do now is to fold this excess fabric just inside. You see, no thread is showing anywhere, and we have this excess fabric, you can see. So now I'll fold it inside just like so. You can see, you can follow this method is quite achievable. You can see the old edges, no thread is showing because that material is already covering every thread that would have shown. So what I will do with my pocketing bag, I'm going to be fixing my pocketing bag. Just watch so very carefully. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe at this point. If you have watched to this point, give this video a thumbs up. It will encourage me to do more videos for you. Thank you for that. Then I'm trimming out the excess fabric at the edges of the bag after fixing it. Wow, with this we have gotten our suit flap pockets well fixed for this suit. If you want your suit to look premium, you got to learn how to do this pocket. It is quite easy. Go through this video again and again. You can ask me any question you want to ask me in the comment section, and I will swing into action to give you a reasonable reply. You can see how the pocket is gorgeous, good looking, fabulous, perfect suit flap pocket. This is the best suit pocket you can ever have on your suit. If you are producing a suit, if you can't produce a suit yet, do well to comment, I want to learn how to make a suit. Then I will put you in my Telegram group where you will learn how to make suit like a pro. If it comes to suit making, leave it for Joe Rich. We are good in making suit. You can be sure on that. You can see the pocket, there is no folding anywhere. You can see there is no fabric showing anywhere. You can see the pocket is just fixed with invisible threading, invisible seaming. Is seamless. You can see what it is. You can see the both edges I'm showing you. You can see how professional looking the suit pocket is. Be sure on this. If you want to learn how to make suit, just give me in the comments saying I want to learn how to make suit like a pro. Then I will swing into action to join into the Telegram group where you will learn how to make suit like a pro. It is easy to make suit. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, see you in my other videos.